Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and I hope that all of you are doing great and having a great festive time. Well, for today's video, I will be covering some information which is very important for all those of you who are planning to come down during the New Year's and also post that. So because there has been a lot of talks around the new lockdown guidelines and whether or not will Goa be under lockdown from the 3rd of January onwards. So all of this, I've been receiving a lot of comments and there's a lot of talks that are happening. So I have all of this covered in today's video. So stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. And also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also do click on that bell icon to get notified every single time I release a new video, since I currently reside here in Goa. So the first things first. So for all those of you who have your New Year party and your vacation planned, that is the 31st, 1st, 2nd and until the 3rd, need not worry, because as of now there are no such guidelines or anything as such that has come out from the government. All the New Year parties and all of that is as normal, and everything will be open and functional as usual. But the only thing that you need to keep in mind is, of course, the safety measures and the COVID protocols that everyone is being asked to strictly follow. And the government is, strictly ensuring that that is followed. And getting to the second pointer, which is about the curfew or the lockdown, that possibly could be from the 3rd of Jan onwards. That's only because so far Goa has reported one Omicron case, and in fact the cases, the daily coronavirus cases are slowly but steadily increasing in Goa. So the possibilities are that there could be a curfew as such, but not exactly a lockdown. But if there is a lockdown, then we'll only get to hear this information from the government, post the 3rd or the 4th. So maximum by then we should be, clear with the new government norms and whether or not is there any sort of a lockdown or if there is a curfew. So if at all you have planned your vacation already, then there's not really much that we can do. But for all those of you who are still in the process of planning, I would suggest that you hang on till the 3rd, 4th, for us to get complete information from the government as to what are the new norms to be followed for tourists, and then plan your vacation. Because at this point in time, the entry norms still remain the same. If you are, double vaccinated, which is if you've taken your 2 jabs, your 2 doses of vaccination, you just need to produce your vaccination certificate and then you are free to enter the state. And if you're not fully vaccinated, then you have to carry your RT-PCR or rapid antigen test, which is an ICMR approved, center. Another very important thing is that I request each and every one of you, who are traveling to other states, interstates, not necessarily to Goa, but, to follow all the COVID protocols which are, given to us by the government to make sure that you are safe as well as others around you are safe as well. So my next video will be out there by the 4th or the 5th as soon as we get to hear from the government about the new rules and regulations that tourists must follow. So don't forget to subscribe and also click on that bell icon to get notified. And I will be posting that video, a follow-up video after this shortly. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also do hit on that bell icon to get notified every single time I make new videos. So if you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And until we meet again in my next, bye for now.